Yes, who remembers my 1/8 scale Founder 2? This is a huge scale truck. I wouldn't say it's enormous, like the size of the Traxxas Summit. It's smaller than the Traxxas Summit, but you'll see that these are the Axial SMT10 tires that I actually had switched over from my Maximum Destruction truck because they fit so well underneath the Ford Raptor two-part body. Now the body, like I said, being two-part, the back part sticks on with a couple of posts, and then the front actually has Velcro and a magnet system that also attaches via two posts through to the cage assembly in the back. So if you guys want to check out more about that setup, you can check it out on my videos. This is an amazing little truck. I'm going to take it out today and let's do a little rip in the mud because that's what we're presented with. And for all those curious, you can check out the size difference between the 1/10 scale G-Made sawback that I have compared to the 1/8 scale from Traction Hobby. It's a large difference. Thankfully, things have actually been starting to dry up around here. And I thought if I took it out, found some mud at least, we could have some fun. Or at least just get outside and enjoy some fresh air. Been cooped up inside the shop way too long. What a good looking ride. I remember taking this to California, to Palm Desert, and we did a great video there, a series with Morris as well. Went off into a few different trips while I was there. Had a great time with this truck, very capable. Like a king of the hill. I'm just low on the throttle right now, just enjoying the crawl. Broken front bumper. I just noticed it when I pulled it off the shelf. I'm gonna have to order up a new one. I got this at a place called Asia Tees online. The Traction Craigsman, Traction Hobby Craigsman, and the Founder. There's a whole series of them. Just straddling across. Look at this, it's kind of tilting in between. One tire raised, one tire totally rubbing, and then of course the drop of the suspension on the other side, and then on the back tire, of course, rubbing as well. There's so many things I love about trail crawling. Not just the scale aspect, but the sounds. The sounds, the power, the things that I would try with a RC truck that I would normally try with my full size. Gives you a sense of freedom and allows you to either make accomplishments or absolute failures. And it's really kind of without any kind of recourse. Look at those tires just getting heavy. Look at it. It's just, like, I pick it up, it's like cement. Ugh. I'm gonna have lots of track maintenance, that's for sure, for all the mud videos I've done on my RCSparks RC Adventures YouTube channel. Look at all this. I'll have to bring the skid steer down here and just flatten everything out once it... Hey guys, welcome home. Kablam! You gotta eat. I could put a way faster motor in here, and I think I probably will. But not everything needs to be like ludicrously fast to enjoy. There's lots of ways to, waterproof or mud-proof your radio control hobby products. Tons of tutorials on YouTube. In fact, I've been doing this for a very long time. I have how to waterproof RC videos as well. Lots of journeys throughout the years. Let me know right now, if you're a mud truck guy or gal, what is your favorite brand of mud truck? And I mean in full size. Is it Ford, Dodge, Chevy? Like, I want to know, do you have a mud truck in full size? And I also want to know, because a lot of commenters, I got like 1,600 videos on YouTube of radio control hobby fun. A lot of commenters will come and say, why don't you do this in full size? Like, why are you just doing it in small radio control? Like, get a real truck. And I gotta say, how many of you out there actually have full-size mud trucks and you love ripping it in the mud? Comment, I want to know. Yeah. And I think even if you have just one of these, it's natural to want to play in the dirt and the mud. I don't know who said it, but I know it was somebody famous. Somebody uttered these words and it kind of struck a chord with me. A lot of people die when they're 25. They're just not buried until they're about 75. I think playing is part of the secret of life. That's why I've done this show for such a long time, to show adults and everyone of all ages playing is fun. There's enough stress in life. Look at all the duck. You can see all the goose prints here. Pretty cool, eh? Amazing. Yeah! I've had a lot of people recently say to me, all you're doing is mud videos, but I gotta say, after being stuck in the shop after an extended long winter, I will take outdoor RC where I can get it. Looks like I got a wire dangling below. It wouldn't be the first time. There it is. People often write in the comment sections as well, what is your favorite RC in your collection? Because I'm known for having more of an extensive collection. And I gotta say, it's always been the same thing, and it's somewhat disappointing for viewers, I'm sure, to hear it sometimes, that I say all RCs are my favorite RCs. Any RC that can make me smile or give me a good time for that day, that is my favorite RC. They're all built for different purposes, whether I'm digging mud or out in a trail, or, you know, out with buddies or whatever, digging gold. They're all my favorite. I'm a true RC adventurer. I am a true hobbyist that loves the radio control hobby. Flying, boating, all of it. I actually do love flying. I don't do much on my channel, but that's my kind of escape. I don't like to fly too much on camera. I'm more of I like to enjoy it. Hey, whatever floats your boat. Here's a good spot. Yeah, I get it all twisted up there for you. The body rub. That's why magnets usually aren't enough, right? Magnets and Velcro with oversized tires. Oh, and listen. Oh, something needs a little bit of cleaning and lubricating. Come on, that's what she said if I ever heard one. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Getting down and dirty at the RCSparks studio today, guys. Hopefully I earned a like click. There's only a certain amount of days that I am able to do mud videos per year, and I love doing them for you. Thanks a lot. Hopefully we'll see you in the next episode. Now get outside and have fun with RC, or if you're like me, go to the wash table and start cleaning one off. Look at that, it's totally on its side. I'm trying to roll it over. It refuses to do so, probably because of the larger tires. Boom. I got a proper smoke show for you. Here's where all my dislikes come from. Why are you doing that to your truck? Because it's only like a $15 piece. It's not a big deal and it's entertaining. Especially at, oh, that stink. The motor stink. Look at that. Oh, she's done. Right there. Ooh-wee. Nothing. That, and I drove all the way back from the back corner, so diagonal across 5 acres. Oh, so satisfying. Shall we? Dun 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 dun. My wash table is the bottom of a shower basin. I know you were wondering. I've been in the game a long time. I know what questions get asked. But if I haven't answered your question today, make sure to post it in the comment section. I do my best to read comments over time and get back to as many people as possible. Yeah. You can see there the motor. I did have the openings covered with a piece of tape, but with those size of tires and like 3-cell lipo in there, giving it all that power, no wonder we got a smoke show. And yes, the keeners in there will note that I have a sound kit that I wasn't using today, not because it's not soundproof, but because I can't find a sound that I like that suits this truck enough. Woohoo! All that mud goes right back to the earth.